Yeah, no, is that done?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. There's two of them right there.
Oh, wait.
There's two of them right there.
Okay, you want to try it too? Okay. Okay. Don't bite my finger.
Don't have the water for you.
Ah, no.
You get this?
He kind of bit me, but they do it like this. They do it lightly. So
Give it the other one right there. Hold up.
so they probably know me already. I don't know how to tell the difference. See, those two will fight because they're territorial. Wait, no. Look, they must have very scarce meat. Come on. Oh, I'm trying to he's already in a hyperactive mode. Oh no, he got it. He got a piece, I guess. Is there any more?